To do spelling and grammar check to Note with Note Assist Filter in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First, you have to make sure that the Note Assist Filter for Samsung Note is on. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features and then tap Advanced Intelligence, tap Samsung Notes, and then make sure that the on off switch for this feature has been turned on. By default, this option is enabled. However, if it's disabled, tap the on off switch until the switch turns red to enable it. When the Note Assist feature is on, you can then use this feature to easily do spelling and grammar check to your note. To do so, open Samsung Note app. Next, you can create a new note or open an existing note. As the example, we will open an existing note. Tap the note. Next, tap the 3-star icon at the bottom of the screen. In the pop-up menu, tap correct spelling to let your phone uses the AI to do spelling and grammar check. Once done, the result will be displayed where you can see that your phone will correct incorrect spelling or grammar on your note, if any. While you are viewing the result, you can do some action. First, you can copy the result to your clipboard by tapping copy. Second, you can replace your original note with the result by tapping replace. Third, you can add the result in a new page before your original note by tapping add to and then select new page before. Or you can save the result in a new note by tapping add to and then select new note. With this AI-based feature, now you can easily identify typos in your note, fix grammar mistake, and replace a misspelled word with the right one, which of course will help you to make your writing much better and error-free. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.